Hey guys, have you ever tried to make an end table? Have you ever tried to make an end table out of burnt wood and epoxy resin that lit up? If the answer is no, then stick around. I might teach you a thing or two. Hey guys, so I tried my hand at making an end table. And is it perfect? Absolutely not. But I had a blast making it. I learned a lot from my trial and errors of figuring out what worked, what didn't with this project. And overall, in the end, I'm very happy with it. I'm very pleased. I'm excited to try my hand at it again when I do work up the nerve to do it again. I apologize in advance for the video. It's going to be a little bit long because there was a lot of footage, and it's going to feel a little choppy just because in the middle of filming this, I switched phones and I lost some of my footage while I was filming this. So there's few pieces missing, nothing crucial, nothing major that you guys as smart individuals can't figure out for yourselves. But I hope that what you do see, it entertains you and it enlightens you or helps you figure some things out with what you're doing. And I hope it motivates you guys to go out and make things. I use mostly hand tools and a torch, which you'll see. And for a couple of the reasons that I don't have many power tools, say for a drill. And two, I just want to be able to show that you can do things with hand tools, with tools that aren't as expensive. It just takes a little bit more time and a little bit more planning and spacing out. I have a full-time job, so this build overall took me 2 weeks just between days off and getting the materials and getting everything prepped for it. But I had a lot of fun doing it, and if you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and for more videos, and stay tuned for more. Hope you like it. Alright, so now that I have all the pieces for my top laid out, I have them marked off here where they're going to go. Just going to lay them out. And when I cut, use my Japanese planer to cut a groove on the inside of this pine here, on the inside layer where the resin is going to go, so that I can lay my lights so that they'll kind of fold in and they won't just be out in the open. That'll give it a much more lighter, more ambient effect. And then I'm going to sand everything down, and then I'm going to do some shoshigi bond. I'll probably take this to the gendai state, which is charred all the way to the alligator scaling, and then lightly brush it off and finish that with a nice oil finish. That should give it a really good sheen and good look. And then this I'm going to fill with the clear blue resin so that I have a nice glow to it. And after that, it's just all a matter of sanding and then getting everything done. Before I glue these in, I'm going to mark off the holes where I'm going to put my legs. So basically I'm just going to take them to the center, square them off, drill the holes for the dowels, and then just after I burn these two, this is just a scrap piece, the actual legs are a lot longer. After I scorch these two and then brush them off, I'll have the holes already drilled. I'll tap in the dowels, glue everything together, and it should be good to go. So what I'm going to do now is drill some pilot holes so that I can run the lights through underneath without it having to distract from the corners here when I pour the resin. Then I'm going to attach the battery pack for my lights underneath here somewhere. That should be good to go. Alright, so I got everything cut out, all the pieces cut out, and ready to get laid out. I spared you guys from all the needless sawing that was involved. I went ahead and painted this middle section silver to give it a little bit more reflective surface for the light to bounce off, so to help makes it a little bit brighter. I'm also going to bevel the insides of these edges, like I said earlier. They came out. I think they came out pretty nice and beveled. But I'm going to line the insides of those with a little bit of reflective tape to help with the light as well. Now what's left is just to char these up and then final assembly, and then pour the resin. Alright, so I just got done putting on a coat of boiled linseed oil, and I gotta say I'm very happy with how the finish came out. This has like a dark, slightly reddish hue to it. And that linseed oil, once I added it to it, just really darkened it up. It wasn't was lighter, and I wanted it darker, and the linseed really brought me towards that, so that's good. I'm very happy about that, very pleased with how that finish came out. So now just the final assembly. Once I put all those together, I'll get this one more coat of oil, and then we're good to go. you have it, guys. An end table made using yakisugi and blue resin inlay that with string LEDs that lights up. I had a lot of fun making this build. Definitely learned a lot. And in the future, I would do the legs a little bit differently, just because the dowels make them a little bit shaky. I definitely would brace them a little bit better in the future. But I had a lot of fun making this. I learned a lot. Definitely going to try my hand at it again one of these days. I think the yakisugi of the pine on top just came out beautiful. The finish is amazing. It gives it such a wonderful black reddish hue, and the texturing of it, just the raised grain that you get from burning it, is incredible. I'm definitely a fan. I'm definitely going to try that again in some of my other projects. And if you want to learn more about yakisugi, I have a video up here that you can watch to learn more. And if you like this video, please sure to like and subscribe for more. I'm going to try and put out more weekly, or as much as I can. And thanks for watching.